There's been a lot of excitement in the last week since Blackmagic announced the launch of the Blackmagic Pocket 6K. They also announced some firmware updates that were going to be coming to the 4K. This included support for 16mm lenses, which is great from my point of view, anamorphic, which is something we'd like to look at further down the line. So Blackmagic have been listening and they are now implementing what people have been asking for. When it comes to the 6K, this is a Super 35 camera rather than a Micro Four Thirds camera, and it is a camera designed to use EF mount lenses. There are lots of people out there who use EF, and so for them this is the perfect upgrade from the Blackmagic Cinema camera. However, it's not only Micro Four Thirds users who are going to prefer to keep using the Blackmagic 4K. For instance, we use PL mount lenses. They are horrendously difficult to mount on an EF mount camera. Unless Blackmagic brings out a PL version of the 6K, there's very little reason for us to move over to it. It's also worth considering that the Blackmagic 6K will probably have a lot worse rolling shutter than the 4K. That's just due to the sensor size. I think adding the Blackmagic Pocket 6K to the existing lineup is a great move forward, but it doesn't negate and it doesn't supersede what the 4K offers. People need to stop thinking of it as a 6K camera and think of it instead as a Super 35 camera. But a Super 35 camera that is designed primarily to be used with EF lenses.